In this video, I'll show you how to enable event monitoring in Salesforce step by step, so you can track activity across your org with clarity. Make sure you're logged in with administrator access, since only admins can change monitoring settings. Click the gear icon in the top right and open Setup. In the Setup search bar, type Event Monitoring Settings and select it from the results. On that page, enable the feature using the available toggle or checkbox and save your changes. Keep in mind that event availability depends on your edition and licensing, and data may take a short time to appear. Once active, you can review captured activity in Event Manager to analyze logins, API calls, and exports. Always verify permissions and compliance needs before relying on logs. Subscribe for more clear and practical tech tutorials.